In this video, let's learn how to enable screen saver while your phone is charging. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down and go to display option. Scroll down this page. After you can see this screen saver option, click on it. In here you can add screen saver as colors. The second option is colors. I select it. After you can see a preview. Now I click on this preview button. You can see the colors preview like this. We can see this screen saver while our mobile charging. If you like to add your custom photos, you can add your photos using this.